Hello everybody, we're the seniors of Summit International School. I'm Robert, this is Ayman, this is Zuhaib, and today we're going to be showing you our robotics project for this term and how it works.
Electronics and motors at the heart of our robot of the LEGO Spike Prime hub. It powers the motors and processed commands. We've used two motors here. One motor controls the close gripping action. The other motor operates the vertical lift system using gears and axles. Wires connect the motors to the hub, enabling precise control of the movements.
Here we have the claw crane robot built using LEGO Spike Prime. This robot is designed to mimic the functionality of an arcade claw machine. We'll explain how it works, the components we use, and its applications.
The claw is the highlight of the robot. It's driven by a gear system ensuring smooth and strong grip control. The gear train amplifies the motor's torque, allowing the claw to pick up objects easily. The mechanism moves up and down thanks to the pulley system, which simulates the motion of a real arcade claw machine.
Beats on the track.